So Go Jump Kenya is a skydiving company. We are very proud and honored to be hosting this event here, whereby international skydivers come to Kilifi County to do skydiving. We jump over the Indian Ocean and land right on the beach. This is a very amazing opportunity to bring in tourism for the county.
So this Go Jump Boogie is really great for us as Vipinga Ridge. We get tourists from all over the world coming in to be able to experience our hospitality, to be able to experience Kilifi, to be able to experience everything we have to offer. We have the animals up on the ridge, we've got some wildlife, we've got some great conservation, which I think ties in very well with the way that the way we're trying to progress. And our partnership with Go Jump Kenya really helps to cement us as a go-to place up and down the coast, putting Kilifi County on the map.
First and foremost, I would like to thank the County of Kilifi, the Governor of Kilifi, and everyone underneath him for hosting us and making this a possibility. Of course, we're blessed to be operating thanks to Zainab here at Go Jump Kenya, located in beautiful Vipinga Ridge. So thank you for hosting us. This is an incredible place to skydive. It's an incredible place to do anything, really. It's an incredible place. But to skydive and to see this beautiful area, from the beautiful pristine sandy beaches to the golf course and the area around Vipinga Ridge, is really amazing.